Yes, okay. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It's at another day and another time. So I'm going to share analysis on gold as usual. So this is Gold Spot, and this analysis covers the overall projection of the market from 15th of April to 19th of April. So it is just a 5 days market move. So let us see the highlight, but remember to do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders, and also make sure that when you take trades, you consider risk management. That's very key. So I'm on a monthly chart, and I'll be doing a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and in 4-hour time frame, it's where I'll be providing a specific probable direction now for next week. So now in the monthly time frame, mostly we see now in 2 months consecutively, there's a stronger and clear bullish momentum being created, and specifically from March candle. And now April candle strongly pushed to the upside, and by the end of this week, it has started forming rejections. But we still have 17 days for the monthly candle to close. So we cannot say that now April candle is going to have that rejection. So it may have more rejection, or the bullish momentum can keep on holding to the upside. But in most cases, let us consider bullish momentum dominating price direction in the monthly time frame. And also, we see a possible diagonal formation, and the price has turned, now this week has turned right at the upper channel of the diagonal. So we can expect maybe price may not go further beyond the turning point now for this week. So then straightforward, let me go to weekly time frame and see what are the key things and how they can correlate with the monthly time frame. So in weekly time frame, as I said in my previous analysis, now we have three swings to the upside, correction, three swings now, and we are looking forward to have a correction in the fourth wave. So basically, and this is well supported with rejection that has been formed this week. We can see in 2 weeks consecutively, gold has been holding a stronger bullish momentum. So this week we have seen a clear rejection. So we're going to see now how the next week candle is going to be formed. Now, if it will be continuation to the downside, so it will be now clearly supporting a possible formation of the fourth wave at this level. But there's a possibility of a next candle to cover this week, but mostly I don't expect to see next candle moving and covering the whole this week rejection. So in most cases, I can say let's expect a possible continuation to the downside this week based on the weekly candle formation. So that's very, very powerful. Then maybe let me go to daily time frame, and as we go down, we can see there are a lot of things to consider. So now in daily time frame, most important thing now, we have the levels. Is now I talked about those levels, and they have been supported very well. They are from the monthly. I've just expanded them. Even in the monthly time frame, we can see those upper channels. So now basically, in my last week analysis, I was talking about a possible price push to those levels and retrace. So actually, one of the very beautiful thing happened this week is price has stand exactly at that level, because we had three factors of confluence. Now we had this trend line passing at this point, we had the other one passing at the same point, and then we had the expanding structure here. It had the line passing at the same place. So price has turned right at that area. So this is the key indicator of a possible continuation to the downside without further move beyond this level. So that's very beautiful. So we see the expanding structure here, expanding diagonal. So basically, Friday candle tried to push up, but sellers came in and formed rejection, and it closed with a bearish momentum. So this is also a clear indicator of a possible continuation of the bearish momentum in correlation with the weekly time frame. Now we have rejection in weekly time frame as well. So that is powerful, but mainly we see the lower channel and the price is still trading inside the lower channel. So I cannot 100% generalize that we are going to sell next week unless we see prices trading outside of this channel. Even though I talked about the volume, there is decrease in volume. I talked about divergence. You see this high with this one in correlation to this one with the other one. So now we see volume is going down daily time frame. So this is also a clear indicator of a possible retracement to the downside, and we'll be looking for we'll be looking for price to move up to those levels marked by the horizontal or the static support down here. That is powerful. So let me go to 4-hour time frame and see now the possible entries and trades now for next week. So the expanding thing is still clear here, and also we have the levels up there, they are still clear. So we see now the 4-hour time frame here, we see this candle opened a very stronger bearish momentum. So this is the key indicator of a possible sellers entering at this level. So we can expect more sellers now coming in. So bearish momentum is being created right at this area. So basically we see the channel prices tried to penetrate but has turned inside the channel. So this is also another key thing to observe before you start taking sell trades. You can now keep on waiting until you see prices showing those clear sell indicators. So basically we have several factors here that can suggest a sell, but there are other factors that are not yet met. So first of all, we see the level here is very important. Several lines are passing here, so this is the clear indicator of a possible continuation of a sell. And another factor for sell, we see a stronger bearish momentum. That is also a very important thing to watch, and also an important thing to consider for a possible sell. And also if you look on the volume, you see the volume is going down. So this is also another factor for a possible sell. So we are waiting for like other two factors to confirm in order to take sell trades. So next week you'll be selling when? Now you see we have this channel. So first of all, you'll be selling when the price is clearly outside of the channel. Now this trend lines here, the trend line here. So you'll be selling when the price is outside this. And in addition to that, we see we have this level here, the horizontal or the static support here. So basically, you see price bounced when it was moving up. Then after breaking to the upside, has been touching this level several times. And currently price is approaching the level. So basically this is a stronger or a stable support level for now. So now for you to take sell trades, make sure that you observe this level. So make sure that you see price breaking, retest, then so you can take sells when the price is clearly trading below this level. When the price is clearly trading below this level. Now when the price is below 23.27, or in other ways 23.30, when the price is below 23.30, so we can now watch for the possible entries for sales. But above 23.30, anything can happen because we still see bullish momentum in higher time frames like the weekly and monthly. So anything can happen. The price may take another push to the upside, even though it may not be a push that can go beyond. It may be not a push that can go beyond this high, but in any way price may push to certain levels before it goes down. So now observe this one for sell opportunities, and I less suggest to take buys. So in most cases, consider sells when the price is below 23.30. Thank you for your time. Have a powerful weekend. Do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and observe risk management when you want to take trades next week. Powerful.